Cox here with AndreaCox.com and the Detox Intuitive. Welcome to my kitchen slash family room. I guess if the living room's up there, slash family room. Hey you guys, I've got something great to share with all of you today. I just shot a Facebook Live on this. I went to 2 different grocery stores today because I didn't have a chance to go to the farmer's market this weekend, and I spent $230. I have the proof right here, and I'm going to show you what I got. Now, before we get started, just a couple quick plugs. My notebook, Eat Right 4, the number 4, Your Zodiac, is in Barnes & Noble, on Amazon, on Kindle, on the Goodreads, and especially on AndreaCox.com in my shop section. You can get it there, and when you get it there, you have a chance to win my intuitive life and wellness coaching up to 3 months for free. It's a $4,000 value, so definitely order the book there on AndreaCox.com. Also sign up for my newsletter while you're there. Hey, can you do me a favor? Subscribe here and then hop on over and subscribe to my sister channel, the Detox Intuitive, as well. So let's get right into it. So I went to Sprouts because I have a personal relationship with the manager there of the produce, and he gets great things like cherimoyas and satsumas and durian and jackfruit in, and he sends me a text message and he's like, Andre, I've loaded up for you. And those of you who don't know, I actually live in Las Vegas, Nevada now. I relocated out of California about a year and a half ago. I kept my location quiet for safety purposes, and now I am owning where I live because I love it. Did you know that Las Vegas is actually built on a vortex? It is, and you can even get like land there. It's not just all the strip and burlesque dancers. So here's what I got. I got a pound of satsumas. Now this is one meal for me. These have been really delicious and in season, and I've been absolutely loving them. I got some Mexican mangoes. These make a great dressing. I like to blend them with nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is high in B vitamins, and I just love the nutty, cheesy flavor with the mangoes poured over a bed of greens. Namely, I like to pour it over dandelion greens. So I got a bunch of dandelion greens, and those of you who don't know, I grew my own food when I first moved here, and I just replanted my garden with soil from VeraGrow, and I'm starting to see everything sprout. I planted non-GMO corn, I planted radishes, which do really well in the heat, I planted okra, I planted dandelion greens, spinach, and I planted sunflowers around the house, so that'll be really nice, and in planters. So dandelion greens, excellent liver detoxifier. I got one bunch of these. Cilantro, now I love cilantro, grows so good out here in the desert, and I also planted that. Cilantro is a lung purifier, so oftentimes I will juice cilantro and eat a handful of chlorella, chewable chlorella after. Really helps detox you if you've had amalgam fillings removed or anything of that nature. Spinach, I love spinach. I eat spinach pretty much every day. I like to squeeze a little lemon on that to really bring out the nutrients and the iron in the spinach. Now, it's sad. I made myself some sauerkraut using green cabbage about 2 weeks ago. I actually ate it all in one sitting because, you know, I got it like that. So red beet and cabbage organic kraut by Wild Brine. I love this brand. I actually know the owners. I got a few treats that were on sale. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it 100. Cashew butter back to human hue chocolate was on sale for $3. Can't beat that. It's like a $6 bar. Cocoa truffle bar. My light just went out, so you have me au naturel now, right? Cocoa truffle bar by Honey Mamas in Oregon mint. And Cocoa Melts. Like that too, right? I'm gonna fix the light, hang on. Fix that light. So next I got about 2 pounds of green apples. I love juicing Granny Smith apples, just so excellent to juice. I got some little new potatoes. Sometimes when I'm craving a cooked starch, I'll have a little vegan sour cream on these and put some fresh dill in there from the garden. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so one more naughty item. Miko's Creamery. I mean, you gotta love their cashew cheese. Miko's, call a sister, okay? We need to work a deal. Okay, this actually was painful to get. Doesn't it look like someone who's danced too long and they're getting tired? I think so. This was painful because the radishes I grew last year were literally from my ankle to my knee. They were huge. And these greens look sad, but I'll juice the greens. I'll use the radishes, dip it in a vegan dip. I love that. I got some pumpkin seeds. If you're a guy, pumpkin seeds are good for that prostate, if you know what I mean. Love these, love to sprinkle them on salads, all kinds of stuff. I got some liquid dish soap from NaturalGrocers because it was on sale for $1.99, and I'm a psychotic person about cleanliness. And I feel like we should respect every home we live in and treat it like our best friend outside of our doggies. And so I like to sprinkle a little of my good juju floor cleaner in this and clean floors often. I did get some oat milk. I find that this one doesn't have a lot of bullshit in it. And sometimes when I make a elixir tonic in the morning using guayasa, I'll put a little splash of that in there. Now, this was my Cocomels. This was my $91 item. So I'm gonna lift this box up. One of my favorite foods is cherimoyas. These 10 cherimoyas were $91. So if you can successfully plant a cherimoya tree, call me. I will pay high dollar for a cherimoya tree. Cherimoyas are my favorite fruit. They're very sweet. I got addicted to them in California along with persimmons and figs. And this is one meal for me. Eating 10 cherimoyas is actually one meal. I'm not bullshitting. I love, love, love cherimoya. Okay, so what else do we have here? I can do 3 whole pull-ups. Pull-ups are hard. I got a pound of carrots to juice. You know, my dogs love carrots. They eat carrots as a snack. It's a way to lure my dogs in. This Maverick just upset me. So I love juicing zucchini. It makes juice really creamy. And he just stole one of these when I was setting up and took it outside and ate it like a little creep. He does that. Maverick's one of my rescue dogs. He does that with zucchini, carrots, and tomatoes aren't the best for a dog. He is all the time like up on the counter. I'm like, I am used to these little dogs, and now I have one that's like on the counter and on the table. So I got 4 zucchini. I got turmeric, fresh turmeric. I love to juice turmeric. I also love to make turmeric paste with it. Some lemons. They were out of, they didn't have organic limes, so I skipped that. I got a pineapple. I really love eating pineapple with the yogurt I got, which I need to grab out of the fridge. The yogurt is plant-based. It's coconut yogurt. It's the raw one by like Yo-Yo. I'll go grab it. Anyway, I love pineapple, and I also got my water. Oh. So I love Mountain Valley spring water. Mountain Valley spring water is the best way to hydrate on a cellular level. It is excellent, excellent, excellent. And yeah, so I picked up some Mountain Valley spring water, and let me grab before I grab the coconut yogurt, I also, because I'm keeping it real, I got this no tuna and plant-based no egg stuff. I really like it. Sprouts makes it. They don't put any oil in it. It's made from nuts and seeds, and I love it. So I got that. Let me grab the yogurt. I'm back. Okay, so what I also got was this Cocoa Yo yogurt, and I really, really love this because it's raw. I also got not 1, not 2, not 3. There's 3 more. I got 6, 6 things of celery. Why? Because I juice it, I eat it, I love celery. Celery is the way to get minerals in the body. The reason it tastes salty is because it's full of minerals. Hey, you guys, I really appreciate, oh, wait. I also got Jerusalem artichokes. You can check out my video on Jerusalem artichokes. Jerusalem artichokes are actually a prebiotic. So we need probiotics. Smiling Gut Probiotic on AndreaCox.com. I'll link it here. But we also need prebiotics. The beautiful thing about Smiling Gut Probiotic on my website is it's already got a prebiotic. But if you're using a generic one, you can just buy some Jerusalem artichokes. But I think you'll love mine. You guys, I am so grateful that you are here with me today. Will you do me a favor? After you subscribe to the Detox Intuitive, run over to AndreaCox.com, look at the new website, all the new stuff we have on it. I'm starting a new podcast. I've got an amazing setup for it, meaning an amazing lineup of people. And get the book. AndreaCox.com in the shop section, Eat Right for Your Zodiac. You can click on podcast and see what the podcast is called there and where it's set up at, and subscribe over there too. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Big hug. Love you. Be well. Bye.